Meteorologist Scott Dean with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
And a reminder to everyone that we do have a tornado watch out that's been issued for the entire area until 3 a.m. for the possibility of an isolated tornado out there, as we have some ingredients in the place, some wind shear in place that some of those storms could act upon that could cause a quick spin up. Now, we have nothing like that going on right now. In fact, just a few scattered showers, and as you can see, the camera's shaking a little bit on our Stevenson Skyview weather cam from Carolina Beach. Storm Track 3 radar is showing some showers, leftover showers in Pender County right now up towards Burgal. You can see the bulk of that activity is now moved out of the viewing area, but still a few showers around Castle Hayne up towards Burgal, moving to the north. This is the line that we're watching very closely. In fact, a tornado warning was issued for a portion of this line, has now expired, but the Weather Service is watching very closely this part of the line down towards Horry County as this activity continues to lift to the north. And again, we have warning watches out for the entire area, and that warning that was out for Marion County has now been allowed to expire. So that's certainly some good news. We're looking at 72 degrees right now. This dew point has really jumped up, so we have a lot of moisture in the air, Atlantic moisture that is come in, and that is the fuel for some of these showers and thunderstorms that dump a lot of heavy rain, but also a little bit more instability in the atmosphere for those thunderstorms to get going. Temperatures holding steady in the low 70s, and over the last 12 hours you can see how the moisture has really increased with some scattered showers pushing up from the coastal waters. And here's this line that's been coming through South Carolina where there was some damage reported with a possible tornado just to the west of Charleston. That activity continues to lift off towards the north and east, but there's another line off towards Georgia right now as this big circulation in western Tennessee continues to lift to the north, and all this moisture continues to get pumped northward from the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. So let's time this line for you with our Pinpoint Futurecast model, and as we go through the wee hours of the morning, we're going to be watching this line coming in from the west, and it looks like it'll start to affect us. The one line weakens, but the second one starts to move in around 3 a.m., and we take it hour by hour here by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, moving through the central portions of our viewing area and then moving down towards the coast by 6, 7, maybe even 8 o'clock. So this will likely affect portions of the morning commute. So allow some extra time to your destination tomorrow because there will likely be some heavy rain. Some of these storms could contain some gusty winds, and I won't rule out an isolated tornado. It remains to be seen if that tornado watch is extended farther past 3 a.m. By the time we get to noon, things will be calming down as far as the rain is concerned, and we could even see some peaks of sunshine. Of course, these storms and showers will affect the second round of the Wells Fargo Championship, but the good news is it looks like Saturday will be, for the most part, dry under variably cloudy skies, but it will be a breezy day. Maybe a shower by Saturday evening. Looking at the bigger picture, here's the low moving away, the front pushing offshore, the dry air coming in from the south and west as we go through Friday, and then we start to see a little disturbance coming around. But basically what we're going to see here is a pattern that's going to keep our temperatures below average through the weekend into next week. Temperatures tonight certainly not below average, only around 70 in many locations, with showers and thunderstorms becoming more numerous. Again, some of those could be severe. We will keep you informed all night long. I'll be here, Stephanie will be here, and we'll let you know if there are any warnings, and we'll break into programming regardless of what time it is in the morning. Tomorrow morning, we'll see the showers and thunderstorms around with some heavy downpours that could affect the morning commute. And then we'll start to dry out during the afternoon with some sunshine peeking through the clouds. Temperatures in the 70s, mid to upper 70s, and then the cooler air arrives with lows down in the 50s Saturday and Sunday morning, 40s by Monday morning with increasing amounts of sunshine. So again, we just have to get through tonight, and we will certainly be here on it to keep you safe.
All right, thank you, Scott, for the information. Again, very important information for you to follow Scott to get from. Thank you.
You betcha.